students. In this session, we will discuss the topic classification of matter from the lesson Basic Concepts of Chemistry and Chemical Calculation. So, உன்னோட classroomல நீ என்ன things பார்த்திருப்ப? The things may be blackboard, chalk piece, duster, chair, desk, bench, etc. What are these things made up of? The things are made up of matter. Now, the question is, what is matter? Matter is anything. It has mass and occupies space. Matter is made up of the atoms. We want to understand the knowledge about matter because if we gain the knowledge of matter, then we are able to experience the things that we have in our surroundings. So for understanding the properties of matter, we want to know the classification of matter. Variety of the classifications are available. Among the classification, the two most common classifications are, one is classification based on the physical state and another one is classification based on the chemical composition. Let me discuss the classification chart. The classification is based on the physical state, that is physical classification, and the chemical composition, that is chemical classification. So first matter ரெண்டா classify பண்றோம். One the physical classification, another one is chemical classification. Based on the physical state, matter is classified into solid, liquid and gas. Solid, its example is ice. Liquid, its example is water. Gas, its example is water vapor. Based on the chemical composition, matter is classified into mixtures and pure substances. So first mixtures ரெண்டா classify பண்றோம். One is homogeneous mixture and another one is heterogeneous mixture. The example for homogeneous mixture is green tea. The example for heterogeneous mixture is oil and water. Next, according to the pure substances, matter is classified into elements and compounds. The example for elements is gold, copper, etc. The example for the compounds is copper sulfate, CuSO4. Physical classification of matter based on the physical state. Matter is classified into solid, liquid and gas. The physical state of one matter can be converted into another physical state by modifying pressure and temperature. I am repeating, the physical state of one matter can be converted into another state by modifying pressure and temperature. Next one, chemical classification of matter. Based on the chemical composition, matter is classified into mixtures and pure substances. First, we will discuss about the mixtures. Mixtures are made up of more than one chemical substances. In mixtures, there is no chemical interactions takes place between the chemical substances. I am repeating, mixtures are made up of more than one chemical substances. In mixtures, there is no chemical interactions takes place between the chemical substances. Mixtures are further classified into homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. Already we discussed homo, its meaning is same. Hetero, its meaning is different. Next, we will discuss about the pure substances. Pure substances are made up of the atoms and the molecules. Pure substances are made up of atoms and molecules. Pure substances are classified into elements and compounds. Pure substances are classified into elements and compounds. First, we will discuss about the elements. Elements are made up of only one type of atom. Elements are made up of only one type of atom. Already we know atom is the smallest electrically neutral particle. That is, atom contains the fundamental particles, namely positively charged proton, negatively charged electron, no charge, that is neutral particle, neutron. Here the word electrically neutral particle indicates the atom contains the positively charged proton, negatively charged electron and neutral charge, that is no charge neutron. Next, elements may be present in the form of monoatomic or polyatomic units. Elements are present in the form of monoatomic or polyatomic units. Monoatomic units, its example is copper, gold, iron, etc. Polyatomic units are considered as molecules. I am repeating, polyatomic units are considered as molecules. The example for polyatomic units or molecules is hydrogen H2 and then sulfur S8, phosphorus P4, etc. Our next topic is compounds. Compounds are made up of the molecules. Compounds contains two or more atoms of different elements. I am repeating, compounds are made up of molecules. Compounds contains two or more atoms of different elements. The example for compounds are, first one is carbon dioxide CO2 and then glucose C6H12O6. Carbon dioxide CO2, glucose C6H12O6, hydrogen sulfide H2S and then sodium chloride NaCl, etc. The properties of the compounds are different from the properties of the component elements. I am repeating, the properties of the compounds are different from the properties of the component elements. Example, sodium, it is a shiny metal. In the same time, chlorine, it is a irritating gas. Sodium is a shiny metal and chlorine is a irritating gas. Sodium, it combines with the chlorine. Sodium, it combines with the chlorine. It forms the sodium chloride. Sodium chloride is a white crystalline solid. And then sodium chloride is vital, that is important for biological functions. I am repeating. stating sodium chloride is a white crystalline solid. It is white and that is important for the biological functions. From this example, you will get the clarity about the compounds. Its properties are different from the properties of the elements. We will meet in the next session. Thank you, students. Thank you.